ये मेरा फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट था. वेरी लिमिटेड मटेरियल्स था. I didn't read Lakshmikant as such in Singhania or standard books. I didn't read. I made notes for pre and mains, both combined notes. So it's not solely for prelims. I did very mistake in my prelims as well. The entire preparation for interview was very nervous because it was my first attempt, also first interview. They asked me very simple questions. Very simple questions. I'm not sure whether they will give me good marks or not. But it was very good experience. They were also playing a small music in background. So it was there. It was there.
It was there.
It was there. North Bache, they are very much passionate about government jobs. But that trend is changing in South. They are also coming for UPSC.
सर ये कौन सा अटेम्प्ट था आपका?
ये मेरा फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट था.
ओह सर, फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में इंटरव्यू तक पहुंचते हैं. सर आपने कोई कोचिंग ली थी और या फिर सेल्फ स्टडी था आपका?
मेरा कोचिंग था. मैं केरला में एक कासरगोड में एक इंस्टीट्यूट था, एक प्राइवेट इंस्टीट्यूट. इट वॉज ए न्यू इनिशिएटिव, सो आई वॉज पार्ट ऑफ दैट ओनली. इट वॉज
साथ में पुनिया. अच्छा, रिसेंटली आई थिंक खुला है वो.
Yes.
RCA है. ऐसी कुछ तो अलग की होगी आपने यूपीएससी की प्रिपरेशन के लिए, वो बच्चे जाना चाह रहे हैं, क्योंकि जो भी बच्चे देख रहे हैं ना वो एस्पिरेंट बिगिनर्स हैं या फिर उन्होंने कोई अटेम्प्ट दिया. तो मैं जानना चाह रहा हूँ कि आपने ऐसा क्या किया था जिसकी वजह से आप फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में ही आप इंटरव्यू तक पहुँचते हैं. कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें, टिप्स, कुछ ऐसी स्ट्रेटेजी जो शायद उनको नहीं पता है और आपके ज़रिए पता चल जाए.
In Kasaragod, it was like a village and very calm area, and there was no any competition. I mean, we were only 60 people.
Oh.
So actually, if we are coming to Delhi, then there are a lot of materials, and people panic in the first instance as well. Like we have to read this much things. But in Kerala, in Kasaragod, it was a small village, and also we were studying very calmly. Very small materials.
But see, you need some guidance and information also. तो कैसे किया आपने इसको?
Actually, there were guidance. The teachers coming from Delhi, they camped in Kasaragod, and they taught us like for 1 month or 2 weeks they will teach polity, and after that economics. And the people that who guided me to interview, it was one is this Vijay sir. He is from UP, and also there is a Shibli sir. He is director from Kerala only. Shibli Shahadati, he studied in Jamia RCA only, and he also guided me a lot.
ओके. सी प्री की बात करें, प्री की प्रिपरेशन के लिए क्या क्या किया था अपने आपने कौन कौन से रिसोर्सेज यूज़ की थी? क्या स्ट्रेटजी थी सर प्री के लिए?
Sir, pre के लिए actually it was my first starting of UPSC preparation, so it was completely very new. So I was just following what teachers are teaching, and I was not going beyond the materials. Very limited materials था, तो उसको बार बार रिवाइज किया. Actually I didn't read Lakshmikant as such, that book, but I read these class notes. But these class notes were made from Lakshmikant only, so I am not claiming that I didn't read Lakshmikant and passed prelims. I read Lakshmikant, but not from that book only. But it was from some class notes, and also for history, this Nitin Singhania or standard books I didn't read. But I am not sure whether all people should follow.
Yeah. What is the weightage of PYQ? Because everyone candidate PYQ की बात करते हैं. तो PYQ तो आपने obviously उसको देखा होगा, पढ़ा होगा. कैसे PYQ क्या करते हैं? PYQ को सिर्फ पढ़ना नहीं, उसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ देखनी पड़ती है. तो how we should use PYQ as a tool to get a good preparation in prelims?
So PYQ, I think PYQ is very important. PYQ is very important. Actually, you have to do at least 10 years of PYQ.
10 years.
Because PYQ give you a guidance to how to prepare, what they are going to ask UPSC. So PYQ is very important. And in each question there will be 4 options, and that 4 option is also we can research on that 4 option. So I think PYQ for both CSAT and also GS, PYQ is a very very important.
प्री के लिए आपने नोट्स बनाए थे, राइट?
Yes, I made notes for pre and mains, both combined notes. So it's not solely for prelims.
कितनी बार रिवीजन करनी चाहिए हमें नोट्स की?
It also depends. Like if you are good in polity, then you might have got that confidence in polity, and you might have it very unconfident or not that much confident in geography. So you have to revise it more times. But actually, I didn't follow any specific standard. You have to revise this much time. But I have revised it.
It's like a 2 hours war. वो जंग है, उस जंग को जीतनी है. हमारी जो प्रिपरेशन रही 365 दिन की, उस 2 घंटे के लिए. बहुत सारे बच्चे अपने आप को जो नर्वस फील करते हैं और वहाँ पे कूल और काम नहीं रह पाते. कभी कभी क्या होता है, कुछ चीज़ें कुछ सवाल ऐसे होते हैं जो वो जवाब दे सकते थे, वो जवाब नहीं दे पाते बिकॉज ऑफ नर्वसनेस एंड ऑल दैट। सो उस 2 घंटे में हम अपने आप को किस तरह स्थिर रखें एग्जामिनेशन हॉल में ताकि हम परफॉर्म कर सकें? कुछ ऐसे तरीके, कुछ ऐसे टूल आपकी नज़र में है क्या?
Actually, first of all, frankly, I don't know any particular strategy that you can use in that. I also was very nervous, and also I did many mistake in my prelims as well. But at that, the main thing is that if you are going to nervous, then the whole year of 1 year preparation would be waste. Then it's better that you just train your mind that you will not be get nervous, and there will be any god that you are worshipping that you can solely rely on.
Is mock is a good tool to get rid of all these things?
This mock test or this test series of prelims.
Yeah.
Yes, definitely. And I believe that before prelims, at least 2 months before prelims, you can take 1 test per day if you are that much passionate about UPSC. I took not every day, I am not telling that, but you can take 1 test per day. Just analyzing, not going to too much deep, but you can do that.
आपने when you have decided that you will go with civil services?
It was after graduation. After graduation only.
ऐसा नहीं लगता है सर कि आफ्टर ग्रेजुएशन एडिशन लेना लेट हो जाता है, उससे पहले हमें करनी चाहिए एज ए स्ट्रेटेजिक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, अगर हम यूपीएससी की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, या फिर वो कहते हैं जब जागा तब सवेरा, ऐसा कुछ है क्या? आपका क्या व्यू है इसमें?
मेरा तो एक्चुअली इसमें तो मेरा एक व्यू, ऐसा व्यू पॉइंट नहीं है, फिर भी आई थिंक दैट ड्यूरिंग ग्रेजुएशन वी हैव टू एंजॉय दैट टाइम, एंड इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन पीपल, एंड आई बिलीव दैट आई टुक ए डिसीजन आफ्टर ग्रेजुएशन ओनली टू।
घर से कोई सपोर्ट था इसमें कि आपको बेटा यूपीएससी करना है, या फिर ये आपकी डिसीजन थी?
It was my decision, and I told with my parents that I am going to prepare for UPSC. Then they were supporting me.
कैसा लगता है आपको आज इंटरव्यू में? कैसा, हाउ यू आर रियलाइजिंग, रेटिंग योरसेल्फ?
Actually, my interview, I was very nervous, first of all.
Oh, initially you are
Not initially, because the entire preparation for interview was very nervous, because it was my first attempt, also first interview.
Correct.
Because of that, I am very nervous, and also actually they asked me very simple questions. Very simple questions. I'm not sure whether they will give me good marks or not, but it was very good experience, and almost all questions were from DAF only. Nothing comes from out of box. They asked very simple questions, and they were just encouraging me, like speak, something like that.
Cordial, they were cordial.
And also, as far as I remember, they were also playing a small music in background.
Oh.
So it was there.
It was there.
Like it was Sanjay Verma's board, Verma sir's board, but it was very.
कौन सी म्यूजिक बज रही थी, क्या था वो?
Actually, I'm in that mood. I was not.
Relax yourself.
That I am not sure, but I think that it was coming from this room only. There is no possibility that it comes from outside, but there was a small music in the background.
साउथ के बच्चे यूपीएससी में कम आ रहे हैं, नॉर्थ के बच्चे यूपीएससी में ज़्यादा आ रहे हैं, उनकी परफॉर्मेंस भी रिजल्ट ज़्यादा है। क्या आप मेरी इस बात से इत्तेफाक रखते हैं आप, या फिर आपको कैसा लगता है कि नहीं, साउथ के भी बच्चे परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं?
अभी तो साउथ से भी बच्चे, there is a changing trend that we can see. Especially north बच्चे, they are very much passionate about government jobs, but that trend is changing in south. They are also coming for UPSC. So I feel that trend is changing.
Asim, thank you very much, and God bless you. Wish you all the best, and I hope that you will get your name in Holipedia for sure, sir. Thank you very much once again.
Thank you.